Yo guys, welcome back to another maintenance video on the Accord Type S. Yeah, so today we're changing bulbs. Not bulbs as in all the bulbs, but the number plate bulb I saw one wasn't working, and then also the front lights, if I can get that right. I bought a light, but I forgot to check the fuses. Maybe I didn't even need the lights, but anyway, H1's in front, and I don't know what you call that at the back. But it was cheap piece, it's like 100 rand, so I'm just gonna test it out. If I don't like it, and then I'll maybe you guys can advise me on some other type of lights to try. Please like and subscribe. And the gearbox oil also, I need to change that. The gears are not as smooth as it should be. And I'll show you now. I bought this Castrol 402. Is it 402? Yeah, 402. 17W90, I think. And I'm gonna test it out, put it in, and see what difference it makes, and hopefully I can advise you guys to buy that also. It's a bit expensive, not gonna lie. It's like 285 rand for one bottle, and that's 1 liter, no? So 270 for 2 bottles, and I'm probably gonna need another half a liter or I don't know what, but I'm just gonna see with the 2 liters and then I'll add in again. But yeah, let's do this quick. So the brights wasn't working, so this is the brights bulb. Sorry, I mentioned something wrong. But that is the H1 for the brights. I was gonna check the brights how. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. And yeah, this was the old one. I forgot to even show the old one, but you can see in the middle there. Yeah, burnt away or broken off, whatever you wanna call it. In his chops, bro. There we go, guys. All the lights are working now. Just the indicator ones. Forgot to put the hazards on to show you it's working. But this bottom lights at the bottom, the fog lights, I'm gonna change that because there's cracks. It's cracked up. The front lights, I'm probably gonna get new front lights, or try and refurbish it, but there's cracks in the front light in that corner there, so yeah, I might get new lights and refurbish the whole bumper, spray the whole car. I don't know, that is still you're thinking about that, but anyway, at least it's working now. Yeah, the yellow different colors here going on. But okay, take it one step at a time. Yo guys, I bought this jack now, probably like in the week, and this thing snapped off, bruh. Can't focus now, but yeah, this thing snapped off. So there was another handle on the side and it just snapped off. But anyway, I'm gonna try and change the gearbox oil now of the car, because I noticed the shifting is a bit, yeah, no words to describe that. But anyway, let me just jack the car up quickly, and then yeah, let me just take that nut off, bro. And this is the tool that I'm gonna use. I don't know what size ratchet is this. I don't know what do they call it, a 1/4 inch ratchet? I don't know. But anyway, this ratchet just to unscrew that drain plug. And then I went to this one. Shout out to Kyle for giving me the tips on what to use. So this is a close-up for you guys, you can check. And I wanted to go with Castrol because I trust the brand. It's 285 rand for 1 liter, so that is hectically expensive. But yeah, this is probably not gonna be enough, but I just wanted to see. I can always top it up again, but anyway. As you can see, guys, I'm probably gonna show an arrow to what is the thing, the drain plug. And yeah, shout out to the spare wheel. I just put it there just in case this thing collapses. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna use the ratchet, take it out, and then I'm gonna fill it in from the bottom, the same as like what I did with the E30. I don't know if I posted that video yet, but yeah, we're gonna fill it up from the bottom because the other plug on top don't wanna come off, bruh. This is the old fluid that came out. It was a mad reflection of the sky, no? You can't even see the oil. Anyway, yeah, okay, there's a better angle. So that's like what came out. Guys, I'm about to start now the infamous test of me checking if this gearbox oil thing worked. At the moment, gears feel smooth. Clutch still feel a bit funny, but anyway, we move. My main thing is when I go into second, so we're gonna check it at this top straight, so I'm gonna go fast into second and see. Okay, no grind. That is a very good start. Okay. Into second. No grind. Oh, third. No grind. Yay. Might be onto something here, bro. I need to go into second again, man, to see if it's gonna grind. See quick if I go into second. Okay, wait, maybe I didn't put the clutch in fully full. Let me see quickly. I'm gonna press the clutch in like I'm gonna put my foot into the engine bay. Going to second go. Still grinds a bit, but not okay. Let's see now. Yo, still grinds, guys. Let me see what happens if I go into it quick. Still grind, bruh. Beetje too much sauce in that bumper. That bump. Yeah, it's still grind, bruh. Oh. See now, going into second. Still grinds. That's now, and it's just second gear, and I'm not even like, I'm literally just driving around the block. But if I go into it like slowly, like it's still, oh, I mean, if I go into it slowly, like it's not that problematic, but yeah, it's sad. So it's not the gearbox oil, it's probably like clutch or flywheel or what, I don't know, but I'm probably gonna have to have it checked out. No ways am I gonna take this gearbox apart, bro. Negative. So I just wasted 565 rand. Oh, and 2 bottles of oil. That was not working. But yeah, guys, unfortunately the gearbox oil did not help, so we're back at square one. Yeah, guys, bad news. I took the car for a drive now, and yeah, we're still going down that wrong path. The gearbox oil solution that I thought was gonna be a solution didn't work. So the gears are still grinding. So clutch, flywheel, it is what it is. Nothing I can do. I'm gonna try throwing a bit more oil in my, which I doubt will fix the situation. But yeah, that's what we are now. Sad, bro. Yo. But anyways, it's fine, man. It is what it is, bro. 1 hour later. Yeah, this is the next day now from the night run. Sunday today. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but this is a F8 turnout. I see there's an M2s or something. Oh wait, they also. Anyway, it's pretty windy here, guys. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, I'm just probably gonna get them leaving. I'm gonna get some action. Oh, red DRLs. What time I see that? Lights on this thing, but first time I see it being red. I think it was an IXL also. I saw that. Damn! Oh. Yo. Can't go right to the white too, so. Yo. Nice. Yo. of my favorite M's. Yes. Damn. Shit. Yo. Crazy. Kan nice is paint look. Oh, this thing is nice one. Damn. M4 is pulling up here. Low F8x. Oh, stuff's out. It was with the late.
What is that?
Let's go for a drive. Nice. Oh. Isn't this like the goats M4? No, I don't know. This color in the sun is something else, but oh, damn. This one and that green one, and that Moosie's one, purple one, and then that red one there. Oh, it's probably one of my favorite. Top 5 today. Another M4 pulling up. I don't know, we have so much M4s here in Cape Town. This uncle came again, me bro, last night. Yo. It was literally at last night's meet. Seen an info like this before with the white spoiler. Everything is white. Usually it's carbon trims, but the lip and everything, side skirt, everything is the same color as before. With the gold trims. We're leaving now. Oh, this thing is crazy. Oh, did they come out like this? Did this guy put this wrap on himself? Oh, it's nice. I think the M2s are leaving first. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just seeing what's happening now. Nostalgic. Was een ijzeren slatje.
car is super nice color. OG color there, but this one. Oh, it looks mad on the M4.